Imagine a world where finding exactly the information you need isn't a frustrating game of guesswork, but a seamless, intelligent conversation with your computer. A world where your search engine understands not just the words you type, but the meaning behind them, the context, the intent, and even your personal preferences. That's the promise of Deepseek AI, a groundbreaking semantic search platform that's transforming how businesses, researchers, and individuals unlock the true power of their data. Traditional search engines have long relied on matching keywords to documents. While this worked fine when the internet was small and information was simple, today's data is vast, complex, and multidimensional. Keyword search often leads to irrelevant or incomplete results because it can't grasp nuances or the underlying meaning of queries. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack by just looking for the word needle, instead of understanding what a needle actually is or what you want to do with it. Deepseek AI changes all that by using advanced artificial intelligence and natural language processing to perform what's called semantic search. Instead of matching keywords literally, it understands the concepts, context, and intent behind your query. This means you can ask complex questions, use natural language, or even vague descriptions and still get accurate, relevant answers. For example, if you want to know about affordable electric cars with long battery life, Deepseek AI can find results that capture the essence of affordability, electric vehicles, and battery performance, even if those exact words aren't in the documents. How does Deepseek AI achieve this? The secret lies in its cutting-edge AI architecture based on transformer models, the same technology behind GPT and BERT, which excel at understanding language and context. These models convert text, images, videos, and even audio into numerical representations called embeddings. Think of embeddings as a way to translate complex data into points in a high-dimensional space where similar meanings cluster together. When you submit a query, Deepseek AI transforms it into the same space and searches for the closest matching data points. This approach allows it to find relevant information even if the wording differs significantly from your query. One of the most impressive features of Deepseek AI is its ability to integrate and unify data from multiple sources. Whether it's internal company documents, email threads, customer support tickets, video transcripts, web content, or social media posts, Deepseek AI ingests and processes all formats, making them searchable from a single interface. This multimodal search capability is crucial for modern enterprises that manage data silos across departments and platforms. Before search happens, the system performs meticulous data pre-processing. Text is cleaned and tokenized, images and videos are analyzed through computer vision and speech recognition, and metadata is extracted. The AI then creates rich semantic indexes that power lightning-fast, context-aware retrieval. Unlike traditional indexes, these semantic vector indexes rely on approximate nearest neighbor algorithms that enable searching through millions or billions of data points in milliseconds. But Deepseek AI goes beyond just retrieving documents. It ranks results intelligently by considering query context, user behavior, document freshness, and relevance signals. It also supports faceted filtering, so users can narrow results by date, source, document type, or sentiment. Personalization algorithms learn from user interactions to continuously improve the relevance of future searches. In industries like healthcare, Deepseek AI is revolutionizing research and clinical decision-making. Doctors and researchers can quickly access the latest studies, patient histories, and treatment protocols using natural language queries. For example, a physician might ask, "What are the current best practices for treating hypertension in elderly patients with kidney disease?" and get precise, evidence-backed answers synthesized from medical journals and patient data. This not only saves time, but also improves care quality. Pharmaceutical companies use Deepseek AI to mine decades of scientific literature and trial data, accelerating drug discovery by identifying promising compounds and uncovering hidden patterns in biological research. By unifying structured and unstructured data, researchers gain a comprehensive view that manual analysis could never achieve. Financial firms leverage Deepseek AI to monitor global news, social media sentiment, and regulatory filings in real time, spotting trends and risks that inform investment decisions. Traders can query for early signals about geopolitical events impacting markets, while compliance teams can quickly surface documents relevant to regulatory audits. Legal professionals benefit enormously from Deepseek AI's semantic understanding of legal texts. Law firms use it to streamline due diligence by pinpointing critical clauses, case precedents, and contractual language across massive document sets. This speeds up M&A deals and litigation preparations with greater accuracy. Retailers and marketers analyze customer feedback, product reviews, and competitor data through Deepseek AI to detect emerging consumer trends, sentiment shifts, and product issues. This intelligence guides product development and targeted marketing, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Technically, Deepseek AI's backbone is its dynamic, scalable indexing system that combines hierarchical graph structures and vector compression techniques to deliver sub-second query responses on huge datasets. Continuous index updates ensure freshness, essential in fast-moving domains like news or finance. The AI models powering Deepseek AI are fine-tuned on domain-specific data, enabling them to understand industry jargon, acronyms, and nuances. This fine-tuning dramatically improves the precision of semantic retrieval compared to generic language models. Moreover, Deepseek AI incorporates natural language generation capabilities. This means it doesn't just find documents. It can summarize findings, generate reports, answer complex questions, and even hold multi-turn conversations, making search a truly interactive experience. Users can refine queries, ask follow-ups, or request summaries, all in natural language. Deepseek AI integrates seamlessly with popular enterprise software like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Jira, Confluence, Slack, and custom applications via robust APIs and SDKs. This allows organizations to embed semantic search directly into existing workflows, enhancing productivity without disruption. Security is a top priority. Deepseek AI employs strong encryption, access controls, and audit trails to protect sensitive data. Many clients deploy it in private cloud or on-premises environments to comply with stringent regulations. The platform also supports federated learning and privacy-preserving AI techniques, enabling semantic search without exposing raw data, crucial for healthcare and finance. Looking ahead, the future of Deepseek AI is exciting. The platform is evolving towards fully conversational AI assistants that anticipate user needs and proactively surface relevant knowledge. Imagine an assistant that, before a meeting, compiles summaries, highlights key points, and connects you to experts or resources without a single query. Augmented and virtual reality integrations will bring semantic search into physical spaces. You could point your AR glasses at a machine and instantly access manuals, repair histories, or operational data powered by Deepseek AI behind the scenes. On a societal scale, semantic AI will democratize information access, breaking down language barriers and literacy challenges. Multilingual, voice-enabled search interfaces will empower billions to find and use knowledge easily. But with great power comes responsibility. Deepseek AI's developers prioritize ethical AI, bias mitigation, and transparency, ensuring fair, explainable, and accountable search results. Users can audit rankings and query handling to maintain trust. If you're considering adopting Deepseek AI, start by identifying specific pain points like customer support or knowledge management. Invest in cleaning and structuring your data for the best results. Fine-tune models on your domain, and train users to leverage advanced features effectively. Monitor performance and iterate continuously to maximize ROI. Deepseek AI's pricing models are flexible, catering to startups, SMEs, and enterprises alike, with options for cloud, hybrid, and on-premises deployments. In conclusion, Deepseek AI represents a giant leap in how we discover, interact with, and use information. Moving from keyword matching to true semantic understanding, it empowers faster decisions, deeper insights, and smarter workflows. It's not just a search engine. It's your intelligent partner in navigating the vast oceans of data that define our modern world. The future of knowledge discovery is here, and Deepseek AI is leading the way.